this video, I am going to talk about scalars and vectors. They might seem to be very difficult idea at first, but believe me friends, they are very easy to understand. So let us start with seeing their definitions. First of all, we will talk about scalar. Scalar is nothing but a quantity which has magnitude. You will understand this more clearly when I will give you the example. Before that, I will tell the definition of vector. Vector is a quantity which has magnitude and direction. So, for example, if I say, let us take the example. If I say this is a ground and a roll is placed over it, roller, and if we say that the roller travels 10 meters on this ground, 10 meters. So when we say this roller travels a 10-meter distance, what is that 10 meters? Is it a scalar or a vector quantity? Now let us see. In this case, I am saying that the roller has traveled 10 meters. That means the direction is not given, just the magnitude is given. So the roller has traveled 10 meters. So in this case, the 10 meters is a scalar quantity. But when I say the roller has traveled 10 meters to the right, so when I give the direction 10 meters to the right, so this becomes 10 meters becomes a vector quantity, and for determining or for denoting a vector quantity, we give an arrow on the head of the number. These are nothing but the basic differences between the vectors and the scalars. Now, we will take few more examples about them. Let us talk about volume. For example, if we take a bucket and there is 5 liters of water in it. So, we are talking about volume. So, does this tell about the direction of this water, 5 liters of water? No. That means volume tells only the magnitude, which is a number. So, my volume is a scalar quantity. Let us take some another examples. When I say this car, I am drawing a car. When I say this car has moved 10 meters, only telling this information will make it a scalar quantity. But when I will say the car has moved 10 meters towards right, it will become the vector quantity, 10 meters to right. So, if I take into consideration the time, how fast the car has moved, so what is the time at that case? So I will write here, if the car has moved 10 meters to right in 2 seconds, then if we consider the time, 10 meters upon 2 seconds, we will get 5 meters per second. If we say to right, it will give us the velocity. But if we say only the car has moved 10 meters in 2 seconds, we will get 5 meter per second. The answer will be same, but in this case we don't know the direction. Therefore, this will be speed and not the velocity. These are the differences between the scalars and the vectors. These are very simple quantities and we can perform various operations like vectors subtraction, addition, multiplication, division. We will see them in next videos. Till then, thank you friends. Bye bye.